Hello everyone, we've received this box from Next Gay Thing.
How gorgeous is that?
Enjoy your treat.
Oh, thank you
and
so
thank
much.
you for being with us. Thank you. Food therapy. Oh my god, anti-aging formula. This is great.
That's
We're going to
amazing.
use it tonight.
Under eye mask. Arif, that's for you. The picture is so nice.
It's so cool, yeah.
Look at that.
Well picture. Say hello to your main squeezy butter soap.
Oh my god.
It smells
It's
amazing.
not so good. Oh my god.
Maybe it's a coincidence,
It's so-
but lime and lemon is just my favorite thing
It's
ever.
so bad that you cannot smell it. It's so
Ooh.
good. It's so good.
Can you smell it?
Daily lip scrubber, that's amazing.
Scrubber. This is super cool.
Scrub your lips with that. Yeah, there's a cute face. Look at that.
This is so cool.
Oh.
Addicted.
Oh my god. That's so good. That's the other one. I love this. I love this. I love this.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Do you like it?
Amazing.
I love it.
I can't wait to try it out. Try out everything.
Tonight. Mwah.